Nuts are a good source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Research has proven that regular nut consumption can help to reduce the risk of overall cardiovascular disease and coronary heart disease. Walnuts in particular are an excellent source of copper, folic acid, phosphorus, vitamin B6, manganese, and vitamin E. In today's video, we will go through what will happen to you if you eat 5 walnuts every day. So stick by as we run through the benefits of eating 5 walnuts every day. Make sure you watch this video till the end to find out if we talked about any of its disadvantages. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 1, it will lower bad cholesterol levels. Walnuts can help lower your blood cholesterol level when needed. A study suggests that consuming walnuts daily may help to lower the level of cholesterol. This is because walnuts contain fiber and lignin content, 2 important nutrients that help to lower cholesterol levels. Number 2, good for heart health. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that are beneficial for our heart health. These nuts contain a high amount of omega-3 fatty acid, which helps to prevent heart disease, stroke, lupus, eczema, and rheumatoid. They reduce inflammation in the arteries. Number 3, walnuts can regulate blood pressure. Another benefit of eating 5 walnuts daily is that it helps to lower blood pressure in people who are at risk for cardiovascular disease. Research has proven that the blood pressure of people who consume walnuts daily for a long time will be under control. Walnuts are also rich in potassium, and consuming them will help ease tension in blood vessel walls, which will proceed to regulate blood pressure. Number 4, weight maintenance. One of the easiest ways to maintain your weight is to consume walnuts. Walnuts will neither hinder your weight loss plan nor make you add extra flesh that you don't want. Appropriate consumption of walnuts daily with regular exercises will help you to stay fit, so you should give it a try. Number 5, it helps to ward off cancer. Have you ever heard that taking walnuts can reduce the chances of breast cancer? Nut consumption has been said to help reduce the risk of getting several cancers, including lung, pancreatic, and breast cancers. In other words, healthy consumption of nuts can help ward off one of the world's deadliest diseases. Number 6, can reduce inflammation risk. It has been proven that healthy consumption of walnuts can help reduce the risk of inflammation. All nuts contain powerful antioxidants that help to fight off inflammation in the body. Walnuts can do the same if they're consumed appropriately. There are more benefits available when you eat 5 walnuts daily, but these are the few that we can mention. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the benefits listed in this video, please tell us in the comment section.